Okay, I have a Yange lock that I received from RJ. It was a 5-pin. I have changed it because the 5-pin you could just put a pick in it and it opened up nothing flat in about 5 seconds. So I've put a Yale keyway in this 6-pin. This is the bitting on the key. The 6-pin sits right here on the tip end of this key. I took the core out of a round lock like this that I had and put it in this lock. It worked perfectly, fit inside the lock real good, and it works better and it's a lot more secure. It has 6 pins. So, whoops, excuse me, it's a heavy lock. Let's put it in the vise and open it up and take a look at the core. The core that was in the lock, you could not gut it without messing up the lock a little bit. Excuse me. Let's get a little bit close. I accidentally cut my camera off then. So anyway, I got it back on. Alright, let's see what we're going to use today. I think we'll use the bottom of the keyway. Let's try this in the bottom. And let me try let's try this pick. Start off with it. I'll probably change. Let's go ahead and start at the front. Go to the back. Okay, there's a little bit on pin 4, 5, and 6. A little bit on 1, 2. See if we can get to the back. Okay, there's a little bit of turn of the plug and it's open. So that was not too difficult to open. The other core that was in this lock was way too easy. Was not very secure at all. This one does have a little bit better security at opening. So let's take this plug out. Or the core out. Okay, when I removed this from the round lock, it had another side over here and I had to cut it here and take it out before this will work inside of this lock like this. But it works perfectly and works real great. No problem with it. The only problem you have is getting these okay, let's lock it back up till I get the clip off. The way this clip is put on this core is terrible. It's not working. Let's try it this other way. Okay, there's the clip off. See if we can get this out now. Okay, that's the wrong follower. Alright, let's just take the pins out this other way. Let's turn this like this. Okay, there's pin 6. Looks like it's a serrated pin. We'll look at it in real close. Okay, that looks like a spool. Another spool. Another spool. And a serrated pin, I believe. Okay, and another spool. Alright, let's look at the top pins. Okay, all 6 pins are in the lock. That one is stuck upwards, looks like. Let's see. Okay, that one was just down, up. Okay, it is working, so all 6 pins are in the lock and working. Alright, let's dump the pins out, then we'll look at them real close. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, the plug is just a standard plug. No change in the plug. Nothing fancy about it. The Bible is just a standard Bible. Alright, let's look at our pins. See what kind of pins we've got in it. Okay, on 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is a standard spool. This is a serrated spool, another serrated spool. They are all standard pins in the bottom. On 4, 5, and 6, you have another serrated spool, a serrated pin, and all standard pins on the bottom. Okay, that's what we have in this Yange padlock. I appreciate RJ sending this lock to me, even though I did have to modify it some because of the original plug was just sorry. And this one's not a whole lot better, but it's better. It has 6 pins instead of 5. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you again.